Hi, and welcome to my chemistry game. I've decided to do UNO to learn how to recognize compounds with their respective nomenclature formulas and states. The objective is to get rid of all cards saying the word UNO when the last card is in your hand. How to play. Each player will be given 7 cards. You must not let other players see your cards. The cards are designed by color and compounds. Each compound has 3 cards. These are distributed by formula, systematic nomenclature, and traditional nomenclature. In addition, 2 of these cards share the same color, while the other one has a different one. There's only 3 colors. In this way, the players can steal the game. The remaining cards are placed in the center of the table and form the pile. The first card to be drawn is placed on the table. Skip turn cards. After placing this card, the next player will be jumped. The card can only be overlaid on a card with the corresponding color or another intermission card. Change color cards. With this card, the player decides which color is next in the game. Also, the present color can be selected. Change +4 cards. The player decides which colors are next in the game. In addition, the next player must draw 4 cards. Whoever puts the penultimate card must say UNO. If one player forgets and the other one player notices in time before the next player has taken another card, he has to take 2 penalty cards. The winner of the round is the one who gets rid of all his cards. The first player places a card from his deck on the table depending on the color or compound he has, and so on in the assigned order. It is allowed to steal. That means that if a player draws a card of a compound and another player has another card of that same compound, but it's not yet his turn, he's allowed to steal the game, and the game will go on from that player. Or if a player has 2 cards of the same compound and he's allowed to draw the cards together. If a player cannot place the appropriate card, he must take a penalty card from the pile. You can play this card right away if it's worth it. If it's not, it's the next player's turn. The +2 cards. When this card is thrown, the next player must take 2 cards and may not lay down any cards this round. This card may only lay on a card with the appropriate color or other take 2 cards. Change direction cards. These cards change the direction. If it has been played from the left, it is now played from the right, and vice versa. The card can only be laid on a card with a corresponding color or another return card.